viewers, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see all things vlogs and hair related. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys this unit. I'll be installing it for you. It is a glueless unit from WorldNewHair. They sent me this gorgeous unit in 24 inches 150 density, and it was a straight wig, 13x4 frontal unit to be exact. And this is just what it's giving. It looks so nice, and I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna ask, did you dye it jet black? No ma'am. If you know anything about me, I love jet black hair, but the fact that I didn't have to do anything for it to look more like a soft black is really good. I did something new and I'm pretty sure it worked. So if you'd like to see how I did it, definitely keep on watching. I'm gonna stop rambling, but before I go, don't forget to follow my social medias at She's Your Fave on Instagram, and I'll leave the rest below in the description box, along with this hair if you'd like to purchase off the rip, which I would totally recommend because it's giving. Okay, so definitely check the links in the description box for this unit, and without further ado, let's jump into this video. This is the satin bag that WorldNewHair sent their unit in. They sent a band, they sent a satin scarf to tie up your edges, they also sent lashes as well as a clip, they sent a headband and also a wig cap. They also sent me a booklet which pretty much shows you how to maintain your hair and wig, how to wash your wig, etc. And on the back is a part where you can just see how you can get discounts. This is the hair specs on the bag. It came in a protective mesh net, which I love, and this is how the wig looks up close without being plucked and stuff. It is pre-plucked, and this is how it looks. It also came with adjustable bands and clips. Okay, so let's get started. Before I get started, I just wanted to let you know that I really like this new style of me just doing voiceovers and doing background music, because I just feel like I talk really slow, and literally I could just be explaining to y'all the hard parts, and if you have any questions you could just ask in the comment section, because I'm really active with responding to you all. So yeah, let's jump into the video. they sent me a scarf, y'all. Yes, it's smaller than the usual big scarf that other companies be sending, so I love that because it's just so much easier to work with, seeing that I'm gonna just fold it down either way. So once I tie my hair up, this is just so I can secure the lace and make sure that everything is nice and melted in. So I'm gonna be using my blow dryer to assist me with this process. And yeah, just keep on watching. Let's get into straightening, sis. We're gonna be using our John Frieda Frizz Ease in Extra Strength. This serum is so thick. Look, 2 pumps is all you need. A little definitely goes a long way. So if you want that nice, shiny, silky, dreamy look for your straight units, this is what you need. And the new technique that I've just pretty much found out is using your hard bristle brush instead of using a rat tail comb to do the chase method. This is going to separate the strands individually just so you could get the best results when it comes onto straightening. Like, it also helps to eliminate how many sections you do at a time because of how many bristles are on this brush. Like, seriously, get into it, sis. So that is pretty much it for this video. WorldNewHair is giving, honey. Like, do you guys see this? I feel like because I used the brush to do the chase method instead of the comb and the bristles are so close together, it just made sure that every single strand of hair was separated, as well as got heat attended to it, or like got the attention of the heat, which pretty much means like everything was straightened properly and how it was supposed to. So this hair is really nice and flat. I love how the unit is nice and flat, you know, no bulky wigs, all 2021 sweetheart. Like, it's giving scalp. So thank you so much, WorldNewHair, for this bomb unit. I love it, and I know you guys will love it too. So if you're interested, the links will be in the description box to purchase. And so far so good. Shedding is definitely not there. I haven't really seen too much shedding with this hair, and it is 150 density, so it's not like super thick. It's giving, oh, she just had a perm. Okay, honey, like, it looks nice and put together. It's not like thin to the point where you're like, oh my god, run me my coins back. It's really, really nice. So if you're just looking for something that's really simple, especially for my girls that have small heads and you can't take that much hair on your head, this unit is for you. Or if you have my size head, which is a medium cap, this is definitely for you. This is how the ends look. They're really nice and they are not sparse at all. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and again, if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at She's Your Fave, and my other social medias, which will be in the description box below the link to this unit and WorldNewHair's website. So without further ado, I'll see you all in my next one.